held ang message niya kasi hindi maganda ang kanyang sinabi. So, held to review. Hindi ko nakasalanan yun. Si YouTube ang nag-held to review ang message niya. Yung iba talagang tao, walang magawa sa buhay kung hindi mangloko. Diyan sila masaya. Pero hindi nila alam, unti-unti nang nababawasan ang mga guhit nila sa langit. Hi! Hello, Ramdom. Random dude. Thank you so much. 3 million, 6 million, 6 people in the house, not a million. I'm just joking because my life don't go far in a million. Thank you so much, Random. 9 million, 9 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, Amistosa. Thank you so much, Amistosa. Amistoso pala, Amistoso. Thank you so much for visiting and dropping to my live. Please don't forget to like the live. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Salamat, salamat. Update, update lang sa aking live because my WH it's going down. Thank you for the heart. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the laughing. Thank you for smiling. Thank you for the heart again. Thank you, thank you. I'm sleepy na. Time check in here dito sa Pilipinas. It's 7:35 p.m. in the Philippines. Oh, 0 million viewers. Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalaw and pag-like sa aking live. I'm sleepy. Thank you so much, guys. Good evening. Thank you.